create a cut line, we're going to open the image in Illustrator, copy and paste that image onto another layer, line it up, and then we're going to lock that bottom layer. Go to Object, Image Trace, make and expand, and then we're going to go to Object again and Ungroup. From there, go to the Direct Selection tool and just select the outline. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path, make sure the joints are round, press OK. Then we're going to change the properties, no fill, we're going to add a stroke. You make it any color you want, and then move that bottom layer to the top. If you want to make it a dashed line, you can go to Stroke, and there's a little box for dashed line, and you can change the properties there. After that, you'll just export as PNG.